What if I told you some of the easiest vegetables to grow are the ones most gardeners never talk about? Not the fussy plants that need constant watering. Not the vegetables that demand perfect soil, endless weeding, and your full attention every weekend. I'm talking about the quiet overachievers. The vegetables that practically grow themselves while everyone else is out there battling pests, dragging hoses across the yard, and wondering why their garden feels more like a second job. And here's the surprising part. Many beginner gardeners actually make things harder by choosing the wrong plants first. They start with high-maintenance crops, get frustrated when things fail, and assume gardening is supposed to be difficult. It isn't. In fact, some of the most productive vegetables thrive on neglect. Today, we're uncovering 12 vegetables lazy gardeners are quietly growing right now, and hardly anyone talks about them. Some of these can survive dry spells. Some keep producing for months. And one of them can stay hidden underground until you need it, like your own living pantry. If you've ever wanted a garden that gives more while asking less, this is the video you've been waiting for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which vegetables to plant if you want a productive garden without the constant work. These are the vegetables that need less watering, less weeding, less fussing, and far less stress. You'll learn why these plants are different from the ones most gardening guides push. You'll discover simple ways to get each one growing fast, even if you're a complete beginner. And most importantly, you'll learn the set and forget principle that smart gardeners use to let nature do most of the heavy lifting. Imagine stepping outside and seeing healthy greens, thriving vines, and fresh vegetables ready to harvest, without spending every spare moment maintaining them. That's what stress-free gardening is all about. Not working harder. Not chasing perfection. Just choosing the right plants and letting them do what they naturally want to do. And trust me, a few of these vegetables may completely change how you think about growing food. If you've ever planted something with excitement, only to watch it wilt, bolt, rot, or mysteriously disappear, you're not alone. Most gardeners have been there. You buy the seeds. Prepare the soil. Follow every instruction. Then somehow, things still go wrong. The truth is, it's often not your fault. A lot of gardening advice is built around ideal conditions and high-maintenance routines that simply don't fit real life. At Stress-Free Garden Living, we believe gardening should fit around your life, not take it over. You shouldn't need a complicated schedule, expensive equipment, or endless free time just to grow your own food. The smartest gardeners know something powerful. Success often comes from doing less, but choosing better. And the vegetables we're covering today are proof of that. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final vegetable on this list might be the ultimate lazy gardener's secret. It's productive, almost impossible to stop once established, and many people walk right past it without realizing it's one of the easiest edible plants they could ever grow. And along the way, I'll also show you one common mistake that quietly destroys low-effort gardens, even when people think they're helping their plants. Let's get into it. Let's start with one that almost feels unfair. Sweet potatoes. Most people think of them as a crop for expert gardeners. But they're actually one of the easiest lazy gardener vegetables you can grow. Why? Because once they settle in, they spread like a living ground cover. That means they naturally shade the soil, lock in moisture, and crowd out weeds. The result is fewer watering trips and less bending down to pull weeds. Here's the simple trick. Plant slips in warm soil and give them a sunny spot. Then leave them alone. The surprising part is that the vines themselves help create their own little moisture-saving system. Picture lush green vines spilling across the ground, quietly protecting the treasure growing underneath. Now let's talk kale. Here's the pattern interrupt. The vegetable many people overcomplicate is actually one of the toughest plants in the garden. Kale thrives in cool weather, tolerates neglect, and keeps producing long after more delicate greens give up. Why it works is simple. Its deep roots search for moisture below the surface. That makes it far less needy than shallow-rooted greens. The easy action step? Pick the lower leaves regularly. That signals the plant to keep producing from the center. Instead of one harvest, you get a steady stream of fresh leaves for months. And here's what most people don't realize. Kale often tastes sweeter after a light frost. Nature literally improves the flavor for you. Now for Swiss chard. If lettuce had a tougher, more dependable cousin, this would be it. Swiss chard handles heat better than most leafy greens and keeps bouncing back after harvest. Why? Its strong root system acts like a built-in reserve tank. Even when conditions get rough, it keeps pushing out fresh growth. The fast start tip is to soak the seeds overnight before planting. This helps speed germination. Picture bright stems in red, yellow, and orange glowing in your garden bed, still thriving while other greens have already bolted. And before we go further, here's something important. If you're already realizing you've been choosing vegetables based on popularity instead of practicality, you're not alone. That's exactly why so many gardens become exhausting. The easiest garden is built on smart plant choices, not harder work. And the next few vegetables prove it. Zucchini. This one almost has a reputation for producing too much. And that's exactly why lazy gardeners love it. One healthy plant can give you more zucchini than you know what to do with. Why it works is all about speed. It grows fast, shades the soil quickly, and becomes strong enough to handle imperfect care. The action step is simple. Give it space. Crowding is what causes most zucchini problems. A single plant with room to breathe often outperforms several cramped ones. And the surprising fact? The flowers are edible too. So even before the fruits appear, your plant is already giving. Now let's move underground. Radishes. Most people see radishes as ordinary. Lazy gardeners see them as one of the smartest crops possible. They grow incredibly fast. Sometimes in under a month. That means less waiting, less worrying, and quick wins that build confidence. Why they work is because they don't ask for much. Loose soil, basic moisture, and they are off. The easiest tip? Scatter seeds thinly instead of clumping them. That saves thinning later. Picture neat rows of bright green tops, with crisp little roots waiting just beneath the soil. Quick, simple, satisfying. Now for a quiet superstar. Garlic. This is one of the ultimate set-and-forget vegetables. Plant it once in autumn. Mulch lightly. Then mostly ignore it until summer. Why is it so low effort? Because it spends months quietly developing underground while needing very little attention. The cold actually helps trigger bulb formation. That means winter does part of the work for you. Your action step is easy. Plant each clove pointy side up. That's it. And the surprising bonus? Garlic naturally helps deter some pests nearby. It's productive and protective. Now here's your mid-video rehook. If you've spotted even 2 or 3 vegetables here that would fit your garden, imagine replacing half your high-maintenance plants with these. Less watering. Less weeding. Less stress. And we're still getting to some of the easiest of all. Next up, climbing beans. This is lazy gardening with vertical intelligence. Instead of sprawling across the ground, they grow upward. That means better airflow, fewer pests, and easier harvesting. Why it works is simple. When plants climb, they use space more efficiently and stay healthier. The fast start tip? Put up support before planting. Not after. That lets roots establish undisturbed. Imagine green vines climbing effortlessly upward, dotted with hanging beans you can pick while standing comfortably. No crouching. No searching. Just easy harvesting. Now let's talk lettuce. Yes, lettuce can actually be low effort, if you grow it the smart way. The mistake people make is planting it all at once. Then everything matures at the same time. The better way? Sow small amounts every 2 weeks. Why it works is because it creates a rolling harvest. No overwhelm. No waste. Just steady fresh leaves. And here's the surprise. Loose leaf varieties are much easier than heading types. You can harvest outer leaves while the plant keeps growing. That means less pressure and more flexibility. Now here's the common mistake segment. The biggest way people kill easy vegetables? Overwatering. It feels helpful. It feels responsible. But many low-maintenance vegetables develop stronger roots when they are allowed to search for water. Constant watering trains plants to stay shallow and dependent. The result? Weaker plants that struggle the moment conditions change. Water deeply. Then wait. Let the soil guide you, not your worry. That one shift changes everything. Back to the list. Beetroot. This is one of the most forgiving vegetables you can grow. And it gives twice. Roots below. Greens above. Why does it work so well? Because it tolerates inconsistent attention better than many crops. The root stores energy, helping it bounce back. The easy tip is to soak seeds before planting. This softens the outer shell and speeds sprouting. Picture rich green leaves above ground and deep jewel-colored roots waiting below. Quiet abundance. Now let's talk herbs, specifically mint. This one almost grows too well. That's exactly why it belongs here. Mint thrives with very little encouragement. Why? Its spreading root system aggressively seeks space and moisture. The trick is containment. Grow it in a pot. That's your simple action step. And here's the surprising part. Mint scent can help confuse certain pests. So it's not just useful in the kitchen. It can quietly support your whole garden. Now for a truly underrated vegetable. Jerusalem artichokes. These are one of gardening's best-kept secrets. They are tough, tall, reliable, and once established, they practically take care of themselves. Why do they work? They store energy in underground tubers, making them naturally resilient. The action step is to plant them somewhere permanent. They're enthusiastic growers. Picture towering sunflower-like stalks above and a hidden harvest below. A vegetable that works quietly all season. And now we reach another low-effort champion. Perpetual spinach. Despite the name, it's actually a type of chard. And it's incredibly dependable. Why lazy gardeners love it is simple. It keeps producing leaf after leaf with minimal care. Unlike true spinach, it handles heat far better and resists bolting. Your action step is easy. Harvest outer leaves often. That keeps new growth coming. Imagine walking out with scissors, snipping fresh greens whenever you need them, knowing the plant will be ready again tomorrow. That's effortless abundance. Now for the biggest secret of all. The real key to lazy gardening isn't just choosing easy vegetables. It's understanding the set and forget principle. The best low-effort vegetables do at least one of three things. They self-seed. They spread naturally. Or they store safely underground until you need them. This changes everything. Instead of racing against harvest deadlines, constantly replanting, or panicking when life gets busy, your garden starts working on nature's schedule. Think about garlic waiting patiently underground. Jerusalem artichokes storing themselves. Mint returning stronger. Perpetual spinach continuing week after week. These plants remove urgency. And that's what makes gardening feel peaceful. The moment your garden stops demanding constant attention, it becomes a source of calm instead of pressure. That's the transformation most people never experience, simply because nobody teaches them to choose plants this way. Here's what all 12 of these vegetables have in common. They reward simplicity. They don't need perfection. They don't ask for constant micromanaging. They simply want a decent start and the freedom to do what nature designed them to do. And that's the heart of stress-free gardening. Working with nature instead of against it. When you choose vegetables that thrive with less effort, something remarkable happens. Gardening becomes enjoyable again. You stop worrying about doing everything exactly right. You spend less time fixing problems and more time enjoying results. And instead of feeling like your garden owns you, you finally feel supported by it. That's the kind of garden worth growing. If this changed how you think about gardening, make sure you subscribe to Stress-Free Garden Living. This channel is all about helping you grow more with less effort. Less stress. Less confusion. Less wasted time. And far better results. Every week, we share simple gardening strategies designed for real people with real lives, especially beginners and anyone who wants a productive garden without the overwhelm. Because gardening should feel calming, rewarding, and surprisingly easy when you know what to grow. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these vegetables surprised you most? And which one are you going to try first in your own garden? Drop your answer in the comments below. Your experience might help another gardener discover their perfect low-effort crop. And if you know someone who thinks gardening is too much work, share this video with them. They might be just one smart plant choice away from finally loving their garden. Until next time, remember the lazy gardener's golden rule. Work with nature, not against it. Your garden can do far more of the heavy lifting than you think.